We are here today at 2016 Woodward Avenue in Columbus, Ohio. This is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath home. As we make our way in, we enter into the living room with a large bay window. Lots of natural sunlight coming in today. We do have a hardwood flooring. Just off the living room, we come into the kitchen. Kitchen does have stackable washer and dryer provided. There is a lot of cabinet space. This is a pretty large kitchen, plenty of room for a table and chair set. Comes with refrigerator and gas stove. Schedule a tour with us today. Give us a call at 614-505-6212 or by going online to www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com. Just off of the kitchen is our first bedroom, which has decorative mantle. Large window, again with a lot of natural sunlight coming through. As we make our way back through the bedroom, or the kitchen, excuse me, we have a hall closet. Down the hall, we come to our left. This is the master bedroom. And of course, again, just from this video, you will be able to tell that there is a lot of natural sunlight that comes through. Off the master bedroom is the access into the backyard with sliding glass doors. Nice private fenced-in backyard. Again, to schedule a tour with us today, give us a call at 614-505-6212 or by going online to www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com. This room that we are entering into now is the 3rd bedroom. And then at the end of the hallway is the bathroom. I thank you for taking this tour with me today at 2016 Woodward Avenue, the 3-bedroom, 1-bath home. Give us a call today. Something I did not show in this video is it does have a large 2-car garage, and just off of that is a 3-season room. Give us a call today at 614-505-6212 or by going online to www.columbuspropertymanagementpros.com. We look forward to hearing from you and have a great day.